DMG Pro is a product designed to complete work with the right technician on the first visit, delivering accuracy through work verification. Every technician in our nationwide network is thoroughly vetted through DMG Pro to determine their experience, qualifications, certifications, and industry compliance. Technicians upload their license information and set job preferences, ensuring every job you trust us with is assigned to the right tech at the right time. If you have specific work verification requirements, our team will upload these to your customer profile as well, ensuring the technicians on site are automatically held to your standards. Work verification and transparency are central to our partnership. Our dedicated account teams and subject matter experts are in constant communication with site-level customers, providing quality assurance and overseeing providers and technicians to avoid business disruption. Our matching engine is focused on qualifying every aspect of your scope of work, drilling down to the most granular degree possible. We match every job to the correct technician based on the tech's individual specialized skill set and an established track record of success. Our average first-time completion rate with DMG Pro is 90%. We focus on eliminating variance to create value and reduce costs. DMG Pro increases technician utilization by solving administrative burdens for providers. This allows technicians to focus on completing the job so they can get paid faster. DMG Pro is customizable, able to integrate with whatever work order management system you use. This means less manual processing and quick, easy, and accurate invoicing. We use geofence check-in and check-out data and require before and after photos, cost breakdowns for equipment and parts, and individualized service summaries. We make sure you only pay for the time the technician is on site resolving your service needs. DMG Pro creates efficiencies for our providers, which translate into direct value for you, our customer. It's high-quality work, faster, and at the right price. Everything you need for uninterrupted peace of mind.